Gladiatrix, hello. Thank you so much. Gladiatrix. Two people. Good afternoon, late na tanghalian. Good afternoon guys. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Good afternoon. Ma'am Gladiatrix, thank you so much sa store. Thank you, Lord. Two people. We have four people. Good afternoon. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Let's eat. "19 people, let's eat. Chicharon guys, may chicharon tayo. Wow! Ano natin? Ating chicharon, 18 people. From Ems Puro, Santa Maria, Bulacan, hindi siya sponsor. 25 people, let's eat. Chicharon. Sausaw sa suka, 25 people. Sarap. Napakasarap. 90 people. Please don't forget to like my live for today. "20 people, good afternoon. "21 people, good afternoon. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, my live for today. Please don't forget to like my live for today and subscribe my channel, Manugang TV. Thank you so much. Kala ko walang sounds. "15 people, thank you so much. Let's eat. Thank you so much. Dinuguan na may papaya. Yan ang ibang klase ng luto ng dinuguan dito sa Ilocano. Minsan nilalagyan ng papaya, minsan pinaputok na dinuguan. Ayan. Kaya yung talagang authentic na dinuguan. Pero itong gusto ko. Sarap. Dala ni Ate Christine kahapon. Pumunta sila dito. "15 people, thank you so much. "30 minutes lang siguro tong live ko guys. Kasi matagal ako hindi nakapag-live. 6 days ago na yung aking live. Tapos may adobo pa. Oh my goodness. Adobong baboy. 25 people, thank you so much. Let's eat guys. Chicharon. dinuguan with papaya. Kasing tabi po sa mga hindi kumakain ng dinuguan dyan. Kain po tayo. Umuulan na naman dito. 21 people, thank you so much for staying. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my live for today. Thank you so much. 19 people. Thank you so much. Let's eat. Ma'am Gladiatrix from Taiwan. Thank you so much. Sixteen people in the house. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my live for today. Late lunch. Let's eat, guys. So, thank you so much. Up. Five people, thank you so much. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Dinuguan with papaya. Seven people. Good afternoon. Chicharon. Five people. Init, guys. Bubuksan ko yung electric fan. Yan na, lilipad na. 7 people. Thank you so much. Kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo. Ang sarap ng chicharon, dala ni ate. Sausaw sa suka, guys. Ang sarap. Sino? Matang tisyak? Kahit di mo nangibati iti korte karag.
Hindi 200. Paris.
Nalipatan na 9 people. Good afternoon. Chicharon. Nine people. Thank you so much for staying here in my life. Tubig muna tayo, tubig. Late na ating lunch. Naligo muna kasi ako bago kumain. Ay, thank you, Lord. Six people. 7 likes. Thank you so much. Alis ko dyan. Langaw. Chicharon, guys. Chicharon. Kunti lang kakainin ko. Kasi itong chicharon ng papapakin ko, guys. Sarap. Five people. Thank you so much. Bonso Rob, thank you so much. Hey people, nagpalit ako account manugang, yung nag-comment ako sa iyo tapos pagka-back ko wala agad comment ko, saka wala ako moderator. Asan yun? Hindi ko nakita yun. Wala man. Nagpalit ako account manugang, yung nag-comment ako sa iyo tapos pagka-back ko wala agad. Saka rin si ate din. Ha? Hindi ko wala akong nakikitang ano nyo, wala akong nakikitang comment nyo dito na ate din. Wala akong nakikitang comment nyo ni ate din. Bakit kaya? Record ko po manugang. Sige nga. Sige nga, record mo nga at send mo sa akin. Bakit kaya wala akong makitang ano? Sige nga. Bakit kaya? Naglolo ko na naman. Wala ako jacket. Ba't di mo kami mapansin ni Rabdi? Anong nangyari sa live? Hindi ko nabasa. Nga, nag-comment, nag-chat din si nag-chat din si Kumari din. Wala akong nakikitang comment dito. Hindi ko alam. Pati doon sa isang cellphone ko wala din. Bakit kaya? Wala na rin comment ko. Uy, hindi ko alam. Wala akong nabasa mga comment. Siguro marami na comment din na nalabas. Wala man lumalabas na comment dito. Walang lumalabas na comment sa akin dito. Walang lumalabas na comment. Ito lang kay Rob. Eh, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Walang lumalabas na comment sa akin. Hindi ko alam anong nangyayari.